Hi, I'm Shamika Askew with the Law Office of Shamika Askew, located in Brandon, Florida. So today I want to talk about family law, and specifically I want to talk about valuing marital property in family law cases. So let's just say, for instance, that there is a divorce case between a husband and a wife, and they have a marital home that they've been living at for quite some time. And obviously the marital home is a marital asset, and the court has to determine what to do with this piece of property. So what I wanted to talk about today is, how does the court determine what the value of the property is? Now, a lot of times the clients want to just use information off of Zillow. And I highly recommend that you use a more reliable source than Zillow. I don't recommend using Zillow in order to value the property because their figures are not always that accurate. So some of the least expensive ways one least expensive way to determine what the value is to possibly reach out to a realtor and see if the realtor can provide some type of market analysis. So that way you can get an idea of other properties in the area that are listed currently or that have sold lately. So that's one possible way to value the property. I think that's more reliable than your Zillow. Then the most frequent method to use, it's a little bit more costly, but I would highly recommend this method, is to just simply get an appraisal done of the property. And the reason why this is so important is because ultimately, whether or not the house gets sold and the proceeds are equally divided, or whether or not the one spouse actually refinances the house and the equity is actually split, what ends up happening is in either situation, the court still has to determine what the value of the property is. So that is critical evidence in your divorce case in determining, okay, what are we going to say this house is worth? So again, I would highly recommend that you have a realtor either do a market analysis, or the most common, the most frequently used method is an appraisal, even though that's a little bit more pricey. So that's just a recommendation that I have. Take it for what it's worth if you have a current divorce case. If you have any further questions pertaining to your family law, probate, and/or personal injury case, please feel free to reach out. We'll be more than happy to assist you.